What is the difference between adverse effect, side effect? Suppose there are two drugs, drug A, drug B. Drug A, it is causing hepatotoxicity. Drug B, it is causing hypoglycemia. Both these effects are negative effects in patient, but this effect of the drug, it can be used for therapeutic use in diabetic patients. This effect I cannot use in any patient. Why should I harm the patient's liver? So, adverse effect, side effect, both are negative effects. Adverse effect, no therapeutic use. Side effect may have therapeutic use. Suppose another drug X, another drug Y. X causing anaphylaxis, Y causing hypoglycemia. Anaphylaxis, adverse effect. Hypoglycemia, side effect. That is the difference between these two.